It is very important that you can take time for yourself and indulge in a hobby. Try these hobbies, which will also increase your brain power. Learning a language. It can enhance your brain ability to process and retain the new information. It can also slow down age-related memory loss. Knitting. Knitting requires a brain, eye, and muscle connection. It also considered as an IQ boosting activity. Learning an instrument. Learning to play any kind of musical instrument ranked in top hobbies that can increase your IQ level. Exercise. Besides its obvious physical benefits, exercise can reduce stress and boost your brain function. Reading. Reading is an impressive exercise. It can boost your creativity and vocabulary. Reading is also a great stress buster. Gardening. Gardening routine like watering and weeding can create a soothing rhythms to ease stress and linked to improve the mental health. Stay healthy, stay aware, remember me in your prayers.